Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we're talking about what is looking to be good news for Windows 11 in 2026. And we're getting more and more of that good news. Bhavan Dovaluri has mentioned that a team is being built that is going to focus on fixing Windows 11. They are going to be proactive. They'll be on X. They'll be on social media to get your comments, complaints, ideas. And they are going to look at everything and every aspect of what people hate in Windows 11 to fix as much as possible. Also, another good news, and I think this could be where we're going. I complained about the Windows Insider program being lost. Well, the Insider program is being rebuilt. So right now we have the Canary channel, Dev channel, Beta channel, Release Preview channel, and even the Canary channel is split into some of the two different builds that are weird. And one of the biggest problems is we've noticed that the Windows Insider program could be fantastic in helping prevent problems, but it's so often that they just don't listen or don't see what people report and even the telemetry of Windows. So it's going to be rebuilt. Now, right now, we're at these channels, but it would seem that they are going to play with that, and they are saying and mentioning that the Windows Insider program will listen to what's happening. So I think this is another good news. The Windows Insider program for me, I think, could be very, very good and very important in helping Windows be more stable and be better. Unfortunately, it has too many flaws of so many times where there's just like things are just going bad and they just don't see it. How many times did we report or see that something that went wrong in Windows updates was actually reported in the insider rings weeks, if not months before, and nothing was done? So that's more good news coming up. So Windows, a dedicated Windows 11 team to fix Windows 11 and a rebuild of the Windows Insider program. Looking forward to that. I think this is going to be great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.